In today's video, we are going to discuss important questions on international organizations and their headquarters. To get these important updates, please don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon to get daily updates. Today's first question. Bandhan Bank is headquartered at Kolkata. Project Brainwave has been launched by which company? Microsoft. Where is the headquarters of Greenpeace? Amsterdam. The registered and corporate office of Banknote Paper Mill India Private Limited is located at Mysore. Where is the headquarters of International Atomic Energy? Vienna. Oil and Natural Gas Corporation is headquartered at Dehradun, Uttarakhand. Program for International Student Assessment is conducted by which organization? OECD. Total member countries of the International Monetary Fund which promotes world trade is 189. Which UN agency has its headquarters in Paris? UNESCO. Where is the headquarters of DRDO? New Delhi. Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority is headquartered at Hyderabad. National Insurance Company is headquartered at Kolkata. Where is the headquarters of UNEP situated? Nairobi. Satish Dhawan Space Center, SHAR, is located at Sriharikota. Global Competitive Report is released by which organization? WEF, World Economic Forum. In which year was RBI established? 1st April 1935. Who is the 9th Secretary General of United Nations? Antonio Guterres. Where is the headquarters of National Bank for Rural Development situated? Mumbai. Where are the headquarters of Nuclear Power Corporation of India located? Mumbai. When was the World Trade Organization established? 1995. Central Drug Research Institute of India is located in Lucknow. What is the Chief of the Air Force known as? Air Chief Marshal. SDR are related to IMF. NABARD was established in which year? 1982. Where is the headquarters of UCO Bank? Kolkata. During which 5-year plan was NABARD established? Third. Where is the headquarters of SAARC? Kathmandu. Where is the headquarters of Interpol? Lyon. Where is the headquarters of Amnesty International? London. Where is the headquarters of Asian Pacific Economic Corporation? Singapore. Where is the headquarters of International Standardization Organization? ISO. Geneva. Where is the headquarters of National Human Rights Commission? New Delhi. Where is the headquarters of Universal Postal Union? Bern. World Bank Group constitutes of how many institutions? 5. 9th BRICS Summit was held in China. Asian Development Bank was established in 1966. The headquarters of United Nations World Tourism Organization is located in which city? Madrid, Spain. Which country is the last to join BRICS? South Africa. General Council of WTO constitutes how many bodies? 4. Who is the current Secretary General of OECD? Jose Angel Gurria Trevino. The headquarters of European Union is located in Brussels, Belgium. Who is the current Secretary General of SAARC? Amjad Hussain B. Sale. Where is the headquarters of SHIFT, Society for Worldwide Interbank Financial Telecommunication? La Hulpe, Belgium. Federation of Indian Chambers of Commerce is headquartered at New Delhi. SIDBI is established in which year? 1990. Where is the headquarters of Microsoft? Washington DC, US. Who is the Secretary General of ASEAN? Lee Lung Meh. Who is the present CEO of World Bank? Kristalina Georgieva. Where is the headquarters of African Union Commission? Addis Ababa, Ethiopia. Last question of the day. Where is the headquarters of Steel Authority of India? Delhi. We will be back with more important videos like this. Please don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon to get daily updates. Thank you.